Young C, man, hit him up, man. The motherfuckers waiting downstairs, nigga. Move on, nigga. Yeah. Hard six, bang, bang, gone. When them backs block, them bang gones, and bend bones, and bend bones, and been stone, and been broke. Been nosed, them been, don't box up, them been a joke. Been time, up, been fried. Think about my life's on the road. Six pack, them bass goes, some thick stocks, them dash go. Get the block roll, go with dash grow. Niggas block the bass, you fucking Donnie Brasco, and bass go. That's the block, them cash go. Sometimes it's hard, but a damn, put my mask on. Shit's got to play smart, these motherfuckers. Oh, stop. King, bass block them flow spin like Brock Abel did King. Niggas reverse on, big stone, bass and block and big bone. Mr. Sherry Stone, stone is blown, throwing stones in low spot. Casino Joe Pesky, just block, don't test me. Same time I'm so hard, motherfucker. Yeah, the Westies, Irish shit, keeping down, motherfucker mob, Sicilian. Hold on, 1 in a million. Break the building, sometimes I'm just with Islamic. See this bad bitch scream, yo, don't panic. Sometimes it's static, sometimes I put down the automatic. We transform in a 6 block, then I'm about shooting at the dome. Fuck a flat earth, got a dome on the 6 bonus. 6 block to block, throwing on us, got Tony on the block, run dome on us. On the show side, those pop them full stars. Still west side, still 2 blocks, still we ride, still we die. Ain't nothing changed. Too much cocaine, too much weed, too much tasting ass and fucking pussy in the seed. Shit is satanic, I tell you the truth. I was hip-hopping in the booth like 88 got you. Nigga, fuck that, them bass go. 6 to block my mask, on my most of my niggas go. Or they're locked up or they do stone. They can do anything, rebel or revolutionary. 6 blacks berry, they say Young C, your rapper's kinda scary. Ride with me. My niggas die with me. Ride with me. My niggas come on and die with me. Get up. Young C, we out of here. Dark Agenda. Mixtape.